Okay, so you know how to insert your audio into your Google Slides, but what are the ways this functionality can help you with your online teaching or online presentation? There are so many ways that your audience and you can benefit from audio functionality in Google Slides. So many ways. So I have a separate post on this and separate video where you can find more inspiring ideas and examples. As usually, a link is below the video in the description. In here, I'm just going to quickly talk you through a few basic approaches. So let's start from narration or slides voiceover. So this is a very, very basic approach, and you can use audio as almost as a substitute for narrating your slides during the lecture, kind of face to face. So talk learners through your slides. You're already trying to tell a story with your slides. Use audio to bring your storytelling to the next level. Another approach is to add background music, so you can use audio to set the tone or a mood of the presentation. Imagine you're teaching meditation, for example. How about adding a piece of calming music to play in the background? Asking questions. So use audio to start a conversation. Ask questions that learners need to answer, or simply prompt learners in a particular direction. Asynchronous conversation. So you think it's impossible? Well, audio allows for a more personal discussion using that approach. You can use audio to give feedback and answers. Let learners ask questions using the QA functionality, and you can then answer these questions using audio. You can also try to engage students, so ask students to record audio to reflect on something or to give evidence of collaborative work, and to include these pieces for everyone to access and to listen. Pronunciation, speech, and voice training. Using audio can be really successfully used in teaching languages, drama, or singing. And finally, maybe describing images and diagrams. So if you use complex diagrams or pictures that require pages of text to be explained, and I had experience of working on such courses, consider adding audio snippets to describe them in a simple, plain language. So just a few ideas. If you want to learn more about the Google Slides, check out my Google Slides mini-series or join the Google Apps online bootcamp.